Let us see how to create a sketch in Catia and how to constrain the sketch in Catia. So first create a circle of diameter 250. Now create a circle of 200 diameter. Now convert the solid line into construction line. Now let us create a circular slot. Change the radius to 10 mm. Now make the slot symmetrical about the central line by right clicking and then allow symmetry line. Click the center axis, then give the distance between as 60 mm. Now create an array by selecting the object by using the rotate option. Click the rotation point and number of items equal to 4. Click on the base point. Now give the pitch angle, that is 90 degree. Now delete one extra object created on the original object. Now select the remaining objects and fix constraint. Select the remaining objects and give fix constraint. Now create the circle of diameter 150. And give OK. Now create a circle of diameter 30. Now draw the line from center to the circle center. Give the angle 45 degree. Now trim the circle. Now constrain the circle by giving the coincidence constraint. Now create an array by clicking on the arc object and then here give 90 degree. Now select the arcs and give fix constraint. Now delete one extra arc. Now trim the circle. Thanks for watching.